Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today we are talking about, should you do free photo shoots? Let's talk about it. All right, so we're talking about, should you do free photo shoots? And I know a lot of people probably are against doing free photo shoots. A lot of people probably are for doing free photo shoots. Let me put my phone on mute because my notifications will go off crazy. And I'm going to answer the question that I asked, should you do free photo shoots? And my answer to that is yes, you should. Why should you do free photo shoots? I'm going to tell you why I do free photo shoots. Because one, practice makes perfect. All right, I'm not where I want to be in photography yet. I'm still practicing. Like if I get new equipment, if I get a new light, I get a new lens, I get a new camera, of course, I want to try it out. Now, of course, you can try that out when a client comes, but I want to try that out and put stuff through its paces before I get a client. Because when I get a client, I want to know how this lens, the best way to shoot with this lens. What I mean the best way to shoot with this lens, I'm talking about settings. Is it good wide open? I don't want to waste time on buy a lens. I want to buy a lens and then try to shoot with it wide open during a photo shoot and come to find out this is not good wide open. I want to know beforehand. So, should you do free photo shoots? Yes. So sometimes when you shooting clients, they're not comfortable doing certain poses. Like I had one client that no pose I told her to do, she felt comfortable doing. You know, and you could see it. You could see this was the worst photo shoot ever. This was the worst photo. This was years ago, but to this day, my wife will tell you, this is the worst photo shoot I ever had. She wasn't comfortable doing nothing. She really didn't add anything. And this video was not to tear down, but she really didn't add anything. So if you're not going to be comfortable with what I'm telling you to do, then you should be able to come up with something of your own. But anyway, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about, should you do free photo shoots? And I wrote a few things here. All right, one I want to talk about. Never shoot people you know for free. Shoot strangers. Now, in my lighting workshop that I did earlier this year, I told my students this. Don't shoot people you know for free. Shoot strangers. Because once you start shooting them for free, they'll never become paying clients. And then people complain about people they know not supporting them. Okay, that you should never give them a free photo shoot. There's a select few that I probably would use for free, but for the most part, I'd rather shoot a stranger for free. As a matter of fact, let me show you this right here. This girl right here, I walked up on her in Walmart, and I told her I was a photographer, and I asked her, has she ever thought about modeling, whatever. I don't remember what her response was, but I gave her my business card, and I told her, check out my website. If you want to shoot, contact me. And we did the photo shoot. We did this photo shoot, I think, the next week. So I will walk up on a stranger and ask them. Now, sometimes the people want to, sometimes they don't. But it's all right. That's the way the ball bounce. That's the way the cookie crumble. So yes, I will do free photo shoots, but I love getting paid too. Don't get me wrong. Now, the reason I would ask a female if she wants to shoot is because I when I look at her, I see something that she can add to what I'm doing. Don't mean she perfect, but I see something that she can add to what I'm doing. And the people I use are not models because I see a difference in a model, somebody that models and somebody that's posing, posing for you. You doing what? Let me tell you, if everything you do, if all you do during a photo shoot is what I tell you to do, then you're not a model. You're not a model. If I pose you throughout the entire photo shoot and you add nothing, I don't see you as a model. Like this girl that I met in Walmart, I don't think she calls herself a model, but the photos came out great. Now, the next thing I'm talking about is, shooting for free, you're able to try different things. I'm able to try different things during the photo shoot that, like I said before, that paying clients may not want to choose. I might have a location that a paying client just don't want to shoot at. I might have some poses I want to try. Because, before I started doing photography, I used to watch America's Next Top Model. And I watched it because I was friends with this blind girl. And she loved America's Next Top Model. No, she couldn't see them, but she would listen. And so we would be on the phone. We were like, we were like the best of friends at the time. So I started watching it with her. I didn't like it. I started watching it with her. And this was actually before I started doing photography. But when I started doing photography, my mind went back to stuff on there. And the reason I'm saying this because a lot of the poses, they look weird. And when you're doing the poses, it might feel weird, but it's going to come out great. So some of that stuff that I've been wanting to try, I can't try those poses with a paying client. So some stuff I have to shoot somebody for free to get it. And there's nothing wrong with that. As far as family, the only family members I would shoot for free is immediate family. And let me tell you, I had a family member delete me on Facebook because I charged them. I charged them $300 to shoot a birthday party. Now, let me tell you something. $300 is not for a birthday party because, one, a birthday party, that's an event. I got to stay there the whole time and keep moving around. It's not like a photo shoot. My cheapest photo shoot is $175. It's not like a photo shoot where I just snap for an hour, 60 minutes, and we gone. I have to stay there and work the place, shoot everybody and work the place. And that cousin had a problem with that $300, or me charging them, period. I've come to find out later they found somebody to do it for $100, but she deleted me on Facebook. But only family members I would shoot for free is immediate family. And when I say immediate, I mean my mother and everything that came from my mother. That's it. Not cousins, not uncles, aunts, not distant cousins, none of that. They don't get free photo shoots. As far as people you go to church with, listen, it's up to you. And if you go to church, it's up to you whether. I would never tell somebody, don't shoot this person for free. Don't shoot that person for free. If they already have it in their heart to shoot them for free. If you want to shoot your church for free, I've done that before. But then a couple contacted me one day trying to guilt trip me like, all the church done for you, you gonna charge us? Now hold up now. I've done a lot for the church too. Them bathrooms that getting clean on their own. The bathrooms didn't clean themselves. You know what I'm saying? The carpet didn't shampoo itself. But I ain't throw all that up. But I'm just saying, like, the church don't owe me and I don't owe the church nothing. Because anything you're doing for the church, you're doing it under God. All right? And then I felt like anything the church did for me, they did it unto God. But my business is totally separate from the church. So I felt like they were wrong for trying to contact me and guilt trip me. And matter of fact, the couple that tried to guilt trip me, I gave them a free photo shoot before. See, people are never satisfied. That's why some people you should never start that free stuff with. Let me tell you something. When you start giving them free stuff, it's hard to charge them later. I am telling you the truth. And that's why they were on my phone contacting me, trying to guilt trip me because they got a free photo shoot out of me themselves. When you start like that, they're going to always want it free. People don't see the value. A lot of people don't see the value in something they get for free. And you might say, but why shoot a stranger? I don't mind shooting a stranger. Yes, I want strangers to contact me and pay for photo shoots, but I don't mind shooting a stranger because there's benefits also to shooting somebody you don't know, somebody that don't live where you live. Okay, say I shoot this girl over here. Okay, this girl over here, she got a bunch of friends. This girl over here, she get a lot of likes on her photo. This girl over here, a lot of people know who she is. When she posts those photos, they're going to know who I am. Get it? So do I plan on doing free photo shoots every day? Not at all. Not at all. Because this is about money. I love photography. But photography is a business. It's my business. All right? But there are benefits to shooting people for free. Like I said, the people that follow her are now going to know who you are because you took those photos. Plus, you're practicing. You're trying different lighting techniques. You're trying different retouching techniques. You're trying different settings on your camera. You're trying to work with the sun. You're trying to shoot better photos at night. It's just you're trying to record for YouTube. It's just a bunch of benefits to shooting for free. Let me tell you, paying clients are not going to want to do everything that you desire to do. They're not going to want to do it. So you're going to have to find somebody for free to do it. All right? So that's just where we are today. Will I shoot people for free? Yes, I would. Nobody can come to me and say, shoot me for free. I pick what I need. You can't come to me and say, hey, I heard you shot so-and-so for free. Can you give me a free photo shoot too? No. And even to go back and bark on what I already started about giving people free photo shoots and then later expecting them to pay, that just happened to me. That just happened. Somebody I was shooting for free years ago just contacted me. So I sent it to my website and told them to go to the website and book it through there. You think I heard from them? It might have been a week since I heard from them. And I know why, because they were used to getting free photo shoots. But sooner or later, that runs out. Because I shoot you now for free don't mean I'm going to shoot you forever for free. Because me and my family got to eat too. You know what I'm saying? We got to eat too. We need food on our table. Yeah, we got to eat. We got to survive. So I encourage you, do free photo shoots. But don't let people come to you to get free photo shoots. Like, you did so-and-so, so let me get a free photo shoot. No, it don't work like that. I choose who I want because you have a look that I want. And I feel that you can add to what I'm doing. Not by your posing, but I feel like your look can add to what I'm doing. All right, so I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media. And listen, I'm out of here. Deuces.